In this tutorial we're going to create the chair and the boat forms of cyclohexane. Assuming we're using carbon as the default element, we first of all just draw a 6-membered ring and then apply the model builder to that, and this creates the chair form of cyclohexane. The model builder will build the chair form by default. It will not build another form, only the chair form. What we have to learn how to do is to convert this chair form into a boat form. To do this, what we're going to do is reflect a bunch of atoms through a plane. The reflect operation is currently grayed because the plane is not defined. So the first thing we do is select these 4 carbon atoms, and we're going to define those 4 carbon atoms as a plane. So we go up and we name that selection to be plane and hit OK, and then the plane of selection is now the plane through those 4 atoms, which in this case are exactly a plane. In more general situations, the plane of selection goes through the middle of a selection perpendicular to the principal axis. Now what we want to do is reflect a bunch of atoms through that plane. So what we have to do is select those atoms, and we use selection to select all these atoms at the end of the molecule here, and then we apply the reflect operation, which is now active or enabled because we've defined plane. When we do that reflect operation and then deselect everything and take a look at this, we'll see that we've created a boat form of cyclohexane.